This Jaylen Brown, he's pissing me the fuck off. You haven't scored like more than 15 like in this whole finals. Like, what the fuck are you doing? Oh my goodness. Like, this is not the Jaylen Brown I know. If he don't improve over the summer, we're trading his ass. So it was me, to a CV. Come back at you guys with another rebuild video. Now, we're going to be rebuilding the Boston Celtics today. And we're going to make a lot of changes more than likely. The only people that are going to be staying is Jason Tatum, Jaylen Brown, maybe Marcus Smart, and Big Taco. Mostly because he's a fan favorite. But everybody else can pretty much take their walking papers and get the hell out of the building. So I'm not going to hold you on any longer. Let's get into these trades. Okay, for our first trade, we're going to be trading away Gordon Hayward and Daniel Theis for a first-round draft pick of this year, which is something we almost never do. And we're going to be getting back Clint Capella, but he's probably going to get traded once again. Okay, right here is going to be our second trade. We're going to be trading away Kemba Walker and Clint Capella for D'Angelo Russell, who really does good in simulation, and another first-round draft pick of next year. So we're probably going to be stacked in terms of draft picks. Okay, right here we're going to be trading away Ernest Cantor, Brad Wanamaker, and a first-round draft pick, which is top 5 protected, so it doesn't mean anything to us, and a second-round draft pick for Buddy Hield and Bielisa. Okay, and right here we're going to be trading away Buddy Hield, Robert Williams for Mitchell Robinson and Taj Gibson. So hopefully our center position is locked down for the rest of the rebuild, but we'll just have to see. Okay, for our next trade, we're going to be trading away Taj Gibson and Mitchell Robinson and a first-round draft pick for Yusuf Nurkic and Mario Hezonja. Alright, right here for our free agent move, we're going to be picking up J.P. Hammonds. I don't know who he is, but he was on the free agent list, so we picked him up. Why not? Solid bench guy. Okay, right here, we're going to be getting our starting power forwards. It's going to be Aaron Gordon and Terrence Ross for Marcus Smart and 2 first-round draft picks. Okay, this is our final team. We got Jason Tatum, Jaylen Brown, D'Angelo Russell, Yusuf Nurkic, Eric Gordon, Bielitsa, Terrence Ross, J.P. Hammonds, and Jeremy Lamb, and McConnell, and all these other people probably ain't going to play. But this is our final roster, so I'll see you guys at the end of the season. Hopefully we can at least make the playoffs, but our goal is to always win a championship in the first year. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully Jason Tatum can carry us. I'll see y'all there. Okay, we did better than expected. I expected big things, but I mean, I think we overexceeded those expectations. We went a whopping 58-24. That's a pretty good record. You already know we're in the top 3 in our conference, but let's check out some of these awards. LeBron James has reclaimed his crown as MVP. Hopefully he doesn't beat us in the finals, though, if we make it. Averaging 33 points, 10 assists, and 6 boards. Okay, really good. J.P. Hammonds as the Rookie of the Year. The guy we picked up, and somehow he won Rookie of the Year with 4.2 points, 2 rebounds, and 2 assists a game, I guess. Dennis Schroeder, 6th Man of the Year, 22.6, 5 assists, and 3 rebounds. And Giannis, of course, Defensive Player of the Year, like always. Christian Wood, Most Improved Player, averaging 18, 8, and 5. Really good. Okay, De'Aaron Fox made the NBA First All-Team. Okay, let's 23. So okay, he did pretty good. Damian Lillard, LeBron, Jokic. Okay, Luka, Steph Curry, Christian Wood made the 2nd team. Crazy enough. And Kawhi made the 3rd team. Sucks for him. And so James Harden. That's something you don't see every day. Ben Simmons seem like the same people on defensive team, but we are the 2nd. We are the 2nd in the conference. So let's check out some stats. Okay, D'Angelo Russell was our leading scorer, which isn't specifically what we were going for, but either way, I'll take it. He was averaging 22 points a game with 8 assists, which is really good for us. Jason Tatum, I want him to score more, but he averaged 21 and 5. He didn't really average assists, though, of course. Jaylen Brown, 18 and 5. Okay, pretty good. Aaron Gordon, he actually did pretty well. He averaged 14 and 8. And Nurkic is out here killing it with a whopping 14 points and 13 rebounds. He's doing really well for us. And Terrence Ross came off the bench as a sixth man, did pretty okay. And nobody cares about really these other dudes, honestly. But let's see if we can win our first round. Okay, we got the Miami Heat. Now, you guys already know who's on the Miami Heat. So we'll just skip the round and let's see if we can beat them. Okay, we're up 1-0. We're up 2-0. We're up 3-0. 4-0 sweep. We beat the Miami Heat on a 4-0 sweep. I would say this is pretty much expected. So let's check box score. Bam Adebayo scored 24 and 11. Nunn 22. Nothing else. Dragic 18-3. Okay, Butler 18. Okay, nobody else really did much. The trade for D'Angelo Russell was worth it. I don't care what nobody says. He was the leading scorer, and he comes in here and scores 41 points with 7 assists. Come on, that's just absolutely crazy. We would like Jason Tatum to take more shots, but whatever. 25, 18, 16. Okay, so now we're going to be going up against the 76ers. It's going to be a really tough matchup because Ben Simmons on D'Angelo Russell's. You already know how that's going to go. But let's see if we can beat the 76ers in the second round. Okay, we're up 1-0. We're up 2-0. We're up 3-0. 4-0 sweep against the 76ers. That's back-to-back 4-0 sweeps. Let's check box score. Forget that Ben Simmons, D'Angelo Russell comparison. Joel Embiid, 31 and 10. Ben Simmons, 16, 10 and 10, triple-double, and nobody else really did anything. Look at Al Horford's corny ass just struggling like in real life. Jaylen Brown was the leading scorer of this game, averaging 26, 4 and 2. Jason Tatum, 21, 4. Aaron Gordon, 18 and 9. Nurkic, 16 and 19. D'Angelo Russell didn't really do much, but either way, he still got 14, 12. Still really good. So, you guys already know who's on Toronto Raptors. Basically the same people. So, let's see if we can, who knows, maybe sweep the Toronto Raptors. Okay, they're up 1-0, 1-1, 2-1, 2-2, 3-2, 4-2. We have made it to the finals. And who do we face? The Los Angeles Lakers. I guess I called it, when I saw LeBron won MVP. I guess I called it. Pascal Siakam, 18. Boucher, 18. Kyle Lowry, 15, 10. Okay, whatever. Terrence Ross coming off the bench with 28 points. D'Angelo Russell got 24 and 7. But look at these numbers by Nurkic, bro. He is absolutely dominating the paint with 19 points and 24 rebounds. This is absolutely crazy. 24 rebounds. Come on, man. He was the best trade other than D'Angelo Russell. He was the second best trade. Aaron Gordon, 17, 18, did really good. Jason Tatum, he did okay. Jaylen Brown didn't really do much, but they don't really got to do much. So now we're going to be going up against the Lakers. You already know who's on the Lakers, so let's go on to Simcast and let's see if we can win a championship. This is the finals matchup that people wanted to see in real life, the Lakers versus the Celtics. So let's give the people what they paid for, and let's hopefully come out and beat the Lakers, even though it's Kobe season. Okay, we're up. Okay, it's a back and forth game. Can we take the lead? Yes, we took the lead and we beat the Los Angeles Lakers 113 to 109. Let's check box score. D'Angelo Russell 21 and 7. Aaron Gordon 18 and 8. Nurkic 18 and 10. Jason Tatum 15 and 8. Jaylen Brown 14 3. Yo, the big three is really coming through clutch. LeBron James, bro, he's absolutely killing out here. But what I don't get is why did Anthony Davis only play 24 minutes and LeBron played 41? But whatever. 40 points and 11 assists and 19 and 6. Okay. Well, on to the next game. Let's see if we can go up 2-0. And we're actually home. Okay, they're up. It's not looking too good. Wait. We've come back, and it looks like we're going to beat the Los Angeles Lakers. They go up 2-0 in the series, 122 to 114. D'Angelo Russell coming in absolutely killing the game. 32.7 rebounds and 12 assists. Jason Tatum 26 and 6. Bielitsa, who is really an afterthought, came in and shot 6 for 6. They're really good. He actually shot 4 for 4 from 3. Terrence Ross 12 points. Aaron Gordon 12. Nurkic, he did what he needed to do. Jaylen Brown didn't really have a good game. He didn't shoot much. All right, let's see if we can go up on the Lakers. 3-0. Okay. Back and forth game, but it look like we're... Oh, geez. We're behind. Well, we're not that far. Oh, yeah. It looks like they're going to win this one. Yep, the Lakers won this one. Make it a 2-1. Make it a 2-1 series. They beat us 132-124. D'Angelo Russell 24-6. Jason Tatum 22. Jaylen Brown 20. Nurkic 19-11. Okay. Nobody else really did much, but next game. Let's see if we can go up 3-1. Hopefully. Okay. We've taken the lead. It's a really back and forth game on this one, but the Lakers have taken over, absolutely killed us this game. They rip us to pieces. 133-106. We didn't really score. D'Angelo 23-6. Man, I don't even fucking care. We fucking lost. We got blown the hell out. And we lost with LeBron averaging 17 points. Come on, man. We gotta do better. And you let Rondo score 32 points? Like, come on. What is going on here? Well, it's tied 2-2. Let's see if we can win this next game. Hopefully, I'm hoping for a win. We're back at home, so let's see if we can go up 3-2. Really back and forth game, but we have the lead going into the fourth. It's looking like we're going to win this game, which we have. We beat them 122-106. Jason Tatum actually comes out and averages something more than 21 points. 25-4, 18 for Gordon, 18 for Nurkic, 18 for Russell, 15 for Brown. Really isn't doing much. What we need him to do. LeBron James is absolutely killing it, man. 50 points. 7. Who gets LeBron to shoot 18 threes? Our defense must be pretty nice. Okay. We're up 3-2. Let's see if we can take home this championship. I'm excited. Come on. Come on. We will have to beat them on their home court. It's not looking likely. Looks like it's a game 7. This is hard, man. They blew us out again. 47 points. They blew us out. LeBron, well, actually, Nurkic 18. Nobody scored. Nobody scored over 20. Come on. This is atrocious. LeBron once again 42, 17 assists, 34. Oh my goodness, we are absolutely getting killed. This is not good, but let's see if we can win game 7. I really need them to come through. We're at home. Let's see if we can beat them. Okay, back and forth game. The Lakers are up really big. It's not looking good. It's really not looking good. And the Lakers have won the NBA championship over us, even though we had a 3-2 lead and we let them come back. LeBron wins his 4th championship. Jason Tatum 30, D'Angelo Russell 30. This Jaylen Brown, he's pissing me the fuck off. You haven't scored like more than 15, like in this whole finals. Like, what the fuck are you doing? Oh my goodness! Like, this is not the Jaylen Brown I know. If he don't improve over the summer, we're trading his ass. LeBron James, of course, kills us again. 58 points. This is the best finals performance LeBron will ever put on, because this is absolutely ridiculous. He averaged like at least 40 points in 3 of the 7 games. Like, this is fucking ridiculous. And of course, oh, look at this. Look at this. You averaged 38 points and 12 assists in the finals. Oh my goodness. Man, whatever. I'll see you guys in the offseason. I'll let y'all know who I pick up in the draft. And after that, I don't know. We might just skip to the next season. But I'll see y'all there. Fucking bitch. Hey, it turned out that our draft picks were like 18th and 20th. So we really didn't get nobody there. So, like I said, we're going to start with these trades. We're going to be trading with Terrence Charleston, a 1st-round draft pick for Duncan Robinson. He'll replace him easily. And a 2nd-round draft pick. So, that's going to be the first trade of the 2nd season. Okay, for our second trade, we're going to be trading away Jeremy Lamb and a 2nd-round draft pick for Brook Lopez to come in and be the backup center to Yusuf Nurkic. Okay, and probably for our last trade before we get fully into the 2nd season, we're going to be trading away Joe Harris and a 2nd-round draft pick for washed up Mike Conley. And let's just hope he can come here and just have a pretty solid backup role. Okay, the final team going to the 2nd season. Jason Tatum upgraded. D'Angelo Russell upgraded. Jaylen Brown, I swear if we make it to the playoffs and he starts doing that 10 points a game bullshit, who knows what's going to happen with him. But he upgraded. Yusuf Nurkic, he upgraded a little bit. Aaron Gordon is still basically the same. Brook Lopez backup center. Duncan Robinson, J.P. Hammonds, Mike Conley, and Taco Fall. He might get some playing time this year. Or not. We'll see. Either way, see y'all at the end of the season. Hopefully we can get a better record than what we did last time. And if we do, Lakers, we coming for that ass. Pause. We have overseeded expectation, having a better record than last year, going 60-22. This team is absolutely stacked, and I'm hoping that Jaylen Brown actually did something this year. We're first in the conference, and let's see who's in the Western. The Lakers, if we see them in the finals again, I think it's over for them. But they did have the same record as us, so we'll just have to see. So let's see who we facing. We're facing the Orlando Magic in the first round. But before we get into this and we skip the round, let's check some stats. Okay, right here was a little bit more balanced this year between D'Angelo Russell and Jason Tatum. And Jason Tatum was our number one scorer. He only shot 14 shots a game. I would like him shooting in 20s, but whatever. 23 points, 6 boards, 2 assists. D'Angelo, 23 points, and about 9 assists a game, killing it. Jaylen Brown, still 18 points, but I guess he's using all his energy on the defensive side. Aaron Gordon, 15-8, really good, or 15-9. And Yusuf Nurkic, about the same stats as last year, 14-13. Still really good, still really dope. Okay, let's see if we can beat the Orlando Magic in the first round. Fuck. Okay, right here we're going to be simming around. Let's see if we can beat them. We're up 1-0. They're up 1-1. 2-1. 2-2. 3-2. 3-3. Hold up. Come on. What the hell is going on? Let me go to Simcast. Okay, we're at home. We have the lead early. And it's looking like we're going to win. We beat them 137. Jason Tatum, 40 points. Okay. On to the next round. We're going up against the Toronto Raptors again. Let's see if we can get another sweep. Okay, they're up 1-0. 1-1. 2-1. 3-1. 4-1. We beat the Toronto Raptors in the playoffs for 2 straight years. Let's check box score. Jason Tatum, 24 points. D'Angelo, 18-5-5. Brown, 16 points, I guess. Aaron Gordon, Nurkic, okay. And Kawhi Leonard's back on the Toronto Raptors? What the hell? But he only played 29 minutes, which makes no sense. 21 points, 15 points for Anunoby, 14 and 10 for Siakam. And who is this? Okay. And Siakam, I guess Kyle Lowry's not on the team no more. Now we're going up against the Brooklyn Nets. And look who's over in the Western Conference Finals. The Lakers versus the Dallas Mavericks. We'll see. Okay. We're up 1-0. We're up 2-0. 2-1. 3-1. 4-1. We make it to the finals. And who do we face once again? LeBron without AD. Let's check out the Lakers roster after we check box score. Jason Tatum has 22 points. Jaylen Brown, 20 points. Thank you. Yusuf Nurkic, 20 and 18. He kills it on the boards and gets offensive rebounds and dunks it back in. I love it. Russell, 16, 7 and 9. Mike Conley coming off the bench doing really well. Okay. Duncan Robinson did okay. Kevin Durant, 26 points. Kyrie, 22. Karis LeVert, 12. And Jared Allen, 10 and 10. Okay, they didn't really do much. Let's check out the Lakers roster. Okay. I'm going to eat my words. I thought Anthony Davis signed with another team because normally he does that. But it's still Anthony Davis. It's LeBron James. Now they got Andre Drummond at the center position, so it's going to be hard. And Patrick Beverly, George Hill, Justin Howard. Okay, so their bench really... Okay. I just hope we can pull out a win against these guys because we can't lose to them back to back. Okay, first game. Let's see if we can come out and we can get a win on the road. Okay, back and forth game. The Lakers are up. Now we're up. Now the Lakers are back up. Oh, this isn't looking good. And the Lakers beat us 119-92. Jason had 26 points. Yusuf Nurkic 19-13. Aaron Gordon 13-9. Where the hell is Jaylen Brown? 6 points from Jaylen Brown. If I gotta trade him, I will. Anthony Davis 42 points. LeBron James 26, 12, and 10. Like, I don't even need to look at it anymore. This is ridiculous. Oh my goodness, they just keep killing us over and over again. We got no stop for them. Okay, let's see if we can maybe tie it up in their house. Back and forth game. We have the lead. Oh, wait. It's a back and forth game. We took the lead. Once again, it's looking really good. And we're going to win game 2. 114-104. Box score 25-8 from Tatum. D'Angelo Russell absolutely killing it. 24-13. Nurkic 18-11. Jaylen Brown 16-6. I need him to do more. LeBron James 27-10. Who is this? Josh Green, whatever. Andre Drummond 18-17, and we pretty much shut down Anthony Davis. But on to the next game. Okay, it's looking really good for us. We're up and we're at home. It's a really close game, but hopefully we can pull this out at the end. And we do. We just pull away. We beat them 112-110. Now we're up 2-1 in the series. Jason Tatum 28, 5 and 5 steals. 23, 5 and 6 for Russell. 16 and 13 for Aaron Gordon. Jaylen Brown 15 points. Mike Conley 14 points. It looks like he was a really good pickup for us. And Yusuf Nurkic 12 and 8. He went 4 for 18. Oh my goodness. LeBron 26, 6 and 8. Anthony Davis 26 and 14. Andre Drummond 23 and 9. That's a big three right there. Okay, let's see if we can go up 3-1. Okay, it's a back and forth game. It's look like we're up right now. Wait, it's a really tied game. Let's see if we can make a comeback. It's not looking likely. And the Lakers tie it up 2-2. 106-98. D'Angelo Russell 22, didn't really do anything else. Nurkic 21, 14 and 7. Jaylen Brown 14. Where's Jason Tatum? Ridiculous. 6 of 18, and nobody else really did much. So let's see if we can maybe win the next game on the road. Hopefully go up 3-2. Okay, it's a back and forth game. It's looking really good for us right here. It's looking like we're going to win this one. We blow them out 112-88 on the road. And now we're going to go home to see if we can close it out. D'Angelo Russell, 27 points, 6 assists. Yusuf Nurkic, 21 and 10. Jason Tatum, 20 and 8. Aaron Gordon, 11 and 9. Jaylen Brown, 10 and 5. Still not really doing much. Anthony Davis, 26 and 15. LeBron James, 25 and 8. Drummond 14 and 15, just absolutely killing us. I don't even need to look at anybody else. Now, we're at home. Let's see if we can close it out like we should have done last year. Let's go Celtics. Okay. It looks like we're up. This is, oh gosh, they just took the lead. It's a really back and forth game. LeBron's trying to will his team. Oh goodness. Come on. Oh, it's not looking good. Wait. Okay, it's 100-100, 101-102, 103. Let's see if we can score a little bit more. Okay, we just took the leads tied. Oh, 108-108. 5 seconds left. Okay, we're in overtime. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see if we can pull out. It's not. It's looking okay. Okay, they took the lead. Yeah, it's not looking good. It's not looking good for us. The Los Angeles Lakers push it to a Game 7 for the second straight year. 124 to 117. D'Angelo Russell 23-9. Jason Tatum 26-2. Nurkic 17-17. Absolutely willing the team with the most points in the game. Jaylen Brown 14-2. Brook Lopez, whatever. Anthony Davis 34-13. LeBron 27-8. Andre Drummond 25-18. Boards. It was absolutely killing us. Now on to Game 7. Hopefully this doesn't end the same way it did last year. Okay. We're up. It's looking really good. It's looking like we're going to keep the lead, maybe. Okay. We're up by double digits. We're up by double digits. Oh my gosh. I think this is our time. I think this is our time. We are up by over 20 points. I'm going to stop it at about a minute. Okay, 129 to 102. I'm going to jump in the game and let's win our championship against the Lakers. Let's go. I'll see y'all there. Okay, 12 seconds left. Jason Tatum is going to hold the ball for the last 8 seconds. The Boston Celtics are your NBA champions. Oh my gosh, this is such a relief. This is such a relief from last year's disappointment. We were up 3-2 against the Los Angeles Lakers, but the Lakers came back bigger and better with adding Andre Drummond. But with the improvements of the Celtics and the chemistry getting better and better throughout the year, the Boston Celtics are your NBA champions. We have done it. You're welcome, Celtics fans. I don't know why the hell Brook Lopez is holding the trophy like he actually did something. We got the box score for you guys. 33 points, 5 boards, 7 assists. Anthony Davis, 20-18. Justin Holland, nobody cares. Andre Drummond, 11-11. And let's check my team. Jason Tatum, absolutely coming up huge in Game 7. 31 points. Shooting 8 of 12 from three-pointer. Absolutely killing it out here. Russell, 29.6 assists, and he was definitely the right trade to make. Aaron Gordon, 16-14, absolutely amazing. Jaylen Brown, 15 points, still shot pretty bad, but whatever. Brook Lopez did okay. Yusuf Nurkic, 15 points, 8 assists, and 5 boards. Very good passing from a big man. Mike Conley actually finally got his championship. Good for him. But let's check out the Finals MVP. The Finals MVP was Yusuf Nurkic. The guy we traded for Mitchell Robinson looked like a pretty damn good trade from here. Averaging 17 points, 12 rebounds, and 5 assists. Now, personally, I think Jason Tatum could have gotten it, but hey, we won the championship. Everybody's happy. So, this was a successful season. Now, I'm going to sim to season 3. And let's see if we can go back to back. I see y'all there. Okay, right here for our trade, our first trade, we're going to be trading away Brook Lopez. Draft picks don't matter for Fred VanVleet. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I really like Fred VanVleet and Brook Lopez kind of sucks on this team. So let's make the trade. Okay, right here for our next trade, we're going to be trading away Mike Conley, JP Hammond, and first round draft pick for Chris Paul. Let's see if we can get him his first championship. And we're going to also be getting Malik Monk. So this is going to be really fun. All right, here's the final team. We got Jason Tatum, D'Angelo Russell, Jaylen Brown, Yusuf Nurkic, Chris Paul, Aaron Gordon, Duncan Robinson, Fred VanVleet, Malik Monk, and Jaden McDaniels. Nobody else really cares. But let's see if we can go back to back, and let's see if we can get Chris Paul's first championship, which would actually make my day. So I see y'all at the end of the season. Okay, this season didn't go as well as the others, but we still managed to get 53 wins. I think we started a pretty good year, but of course with some changes, some rough patches are going to happen. So let's check out some of these awards. Giannis MVP 27-15. Cade Cunningham 28-8 for Rookie of the Year. Bobo 6th Man of the Year once again. Maybe I'll try to get Bobo on my next rebuild. Giannis Defensive Player of the Year. Tyrese Hallenberg, whoever you are and whoever that is. Looks like the young players are really taking over the NBA now. Um, Curry, Zion, LeBron. LeBron's a 91 overall now. Kawhi, Cade Cunningham, I guess. Giannis. Okay, so basically the same people you see every time. I'm just trying to get Jonathan Isaac. Okay, he did pretty okay. Okay, we are actually still first in the conference. So let's see some stats. Okay, once again, average stats, 23 points, 23.6 rebounds for Tatum. D'Angelo Russell, 20 and 9. Jaylen Brown he actually went out from 18 to 19 points a game this year with 5 boards. Yusuf Nurkic, about the same, 12 and 14. Aaron Gordon, 11 and 7. Chris Paul, 10 and 6 or 10 and 7, really good. Van Fleet did really good too. Okay. Let's see if we can beat the Miami Heat in the first round of playoffs. Which we should, honestly. Okay. We're up 1-0. We're up 2-0. We're up 3-0. 4-0 sweep. Okay. Bring out the brooms. And we're going up against the Toronto Raptors. I know they hate seeing us. Okay, Bam Adebayo, 27-5. Jimmy Butler, what overall is he? He's 86 overall now. Hero, didn't shoot well. Okay. Whoever that is. D'Angelo Russell, 26 and 12. Jaylen Brown, 25. Yusuf Nurkic, 16 and 5. 16 for Van Fleet. 15 and 5 for Chris Paul. Okay. So, on to the next series. We're going to be going up against the Toronto Raptors. You know they hate facing us because we beat them the past 2 playoff series. Okay, we're up 1-0. We're up 2-0. We're up 3-0. 4-0 sweep. The Raptors just can't beat us. The Raptors can't beat us. But you know what I realized? The Lakers didn't make the playoffs. So we don't have to worry about them this year. This is great. Now we're going up against Detroit. I don't know who's on their team, so let's check out. Okay, the Detroit Pistons, they have playoff P, who we're not worried about. Zach LaVine, Spencer Dinwiddie, whatever this dude's name is, CJ McCollum, who's really bad now. Whoever this is. Okay, so their team is like really full with like a lot of 80 overalls. Really good. Okay, it's a lot better than what I thought, but let's see if we can beat them. They're only the 6th seed, so I don't think we should have a problem. Okay, let's see if we can beat the 6th seed Detroit Pistons. Okay, we're up 1-0, 1-1, 2-1, 3-1, 4-1. We are in the finals again, and we're going to be going up against the Suns. Let's check box score. Yusuf Nurkic, 22 and 19 boards. Jason Tatum, 20 and 9. Jaylen Brown, 19 and 5. D'Angelo Russell, 13 points, 15 assists, killing it. CJ McCollum, 18 points. Paul George, 15 and 9. Didn't really do much. Spencer Dinwiddie, 11 points. Nobody really did anything else. Zach LaVine just absolutely choked. This is the worst game Zach LaVine has ever had. I can vouch for it. 7 points, and only 7 points came from free throws. He was 0 for 12. That's really bad. Okay, we're going up against the Suns. Let's check out their roster. Okay, this is the Suns roster. They got DeAndre Ayton, Devin Booker, Bol as the 6th man, so that's going to be a hard matchup. Precious, whatever his name is, and Otto Porter. Nobody really else over. Maybe Mikal Bridges. But let's see if we can beat the Suns. Let's go on to Simcast. They've taken the lead really bad. They're going to blow us out. Oh, my goodness. They're going to blow us out first game. 140 to 113. We got to make some adjustments. Jason Tatum, 22, 4 and 4. Russell, 17, 4 and 4. Jaylen Brown, 17, 4, 15. Okay. Devin Booker absolutely killed us right here. 34, 4, 26, 11. Bulls. 20, I don't know. Oh my gosh, these matchups are really bad for us. I don't know. We gotta see next game. Let me make some adjustments. I'll be right back with y'all. Okay, game 2. Let's see if we can actually make a comeback from that disappointment of a game 1. Okay, we're up. Is a back and forth game. It is really close. Oh shit, this isn't good. Wait. We just took the lead back. Oh my gosh. We lost again. We lost 129 to 125. D'Angelo 28. Jason Tatum 28. Jaylen Brown 16. Oh my gosh. This is not good. This is not good at all. Devin Booker 32. Ayton 12 and 16. Bol is absolutely killing us off the bench. We gotta do something to slow him down because he's killing us. He's absolutely killing us. But let's go to game 3. Okay, game 3. We were absolutely swept on our home floor. Let's see if we can at least win one game in game 3. Okay, back and forth game is looking really good for us right here. It looks like we should win this game. We beat them 121 to 106. Russell 23-7, Jason Tatum 22-7, 17-9 for Nurkic, 17-6 for Chris Paul, and that's about it. Bol 22 points, still killing us. Roach 21, 8-21, and we pretty much shut down Booker in this game. So hopefully we can continue to do the same things. On to game 4. Okay. We've taken the lead early. It looks like we're not going to give it up. We beat them 125 to 103. Jaylen Brown 28-5, 23-2 for Jason Tatum, 18-8 and 6 for Aaron Gordon. Really good game. D'Angelo Russell 14-8, and that's about it. Okay, let's see if we can win this next game at home, and hopefully we can take a commanding lead in the finals. Okay, back and forth game, but we're up. It's looking like we're blowing them out. We beat them 144 to 115. We are now up 3-2 in the series. Jason Tatum came out 32 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists. D'Angelo Russell 29 points, 8 assists. Jaylen Brown 27 points. Thank you. This is what we've been wanting you to do this whole damn rebuild. Chris Paul 12-9 off the bench. Nurkic 11-18, really good. Gordon 10-10. Okay. Booker 41 points, killing us. Bol 16-11, and DeAndre Ayton didn't really do much. Okay, let's see if we can win back-to-back championships in game 6. Okay, they've taken a commanding lead as a back and forth game, but it's looking like we're up, and it's looking like we're going to win. We're up by double digits now. I'm going to stop simulation at about a minute or so, and then I'm going to jump in. Okay, we are up 127 to 111. I'm going to jump in, and it looks like we're going to be going back to back. I'll see y'all there. Okay, with 12 seconds left, we have won back-to-back championships with the Boston Celtics. Crown me. The Boston Celtics are your back-to-back champions. We have come back from a 2-0 deficit to beat the Phoenix Suns in the finals. We overcame Bol, DeAndre Ayton, and Devin Booker. We are back-to-back champions, and once again resides as the best franchise in NBA history. NBA champions. Let's check out some stats. Okay, here's some stats. 29-10 from Ayton, 23-6 from Booker. Otto Porter actually scored 19 points, and Bol 19-6. We finally shut him down. D'Angelo Russell, 25-8. Let's get it. Jaylen Brown actually scored more. He actually tied with Jason Tatum. 23 points from Jaylen Brown. 23-5 from Jason Tatum. 17-12 from Nurkic. It looks like that trade was well worth it with trading for Mitchell Robinson. Aaron Gordon, great pickup for us. Malik Monk, I gave him some minutes, and he came in and he performed. Van Fleet did really well. Chris Paul finally gets his NBA champion. Probably the most unlucky player in the playoffs in playoff history. And he has come to the Celtics, took a backup role, swallowed his pride, and came in off the bench and absolutely killed the game. Chris Paul is an NBA champion. Taco Fall, 2-time champion. And whoever these dudes are. Duncan Robinson, he ain't play, but 2-time champion. Anyway, let's check out the Finals MVP. Let's see who won. Finals MVP went to D'Angelo Russell, the guy we traded for. I don't remember who we traded with. Probably Kemba. But D'Angelo Russell averaged 23 points, 7 assists, 1 steal. Shooting 59%. 59%. And shooting 45% from 3. D'Angelo Russell is your Finals MVP. Now, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. It's been really fun. We went back-to-back champions. We won back-to-back championships. It was really fun. D'Angelo Russell, Jason Tatum, Jaylen Brown, even though he frustrated the hell out of me, but I stuck with him. I stuck with my gut, and I stuck with him. He helped bring a championship to this city. I just want to thank you all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm uploading these rebuilds like every week. I'm uploading them every week, like 1 or 2 times every week. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to y'all later. Back to back.